Hey there, in this video we're going to take a look at a very interesting problem. We're going to prove that this quantity is less than 1 over 10. But how can we do that? Well, I'm going to show you that in this video, but before I do that, please consider subscribing for more contents like this. First of all, let's set all of this equal to x. So we want to prove that x is less than 1/10. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take each of these factors, each of these fractions, and I'm going to add 1 both to the top and to the bottom of the fraction. For example, for 1 over 2, I'm going to add 1 both to the top and to the bottom. I will have 2/3. Next, I will have 4 over 5, and I will have 6 over 7, and the rest are going to be the same, and the last one is going to be 100 over 101. So I'm going to multiply all of these, and the result is going to equal to y. So y equals 2 over 3 times 4 over 5 times 6 over 7 times ... times 100 over 101. Now, if I take each of the factors of y and compare it to each of the factors of x, I can say that 2/3 is greater than 1 over 2, 4 over 5 is greater than 3 over 4, and so on. So each of the factors of y are greater than each of the factors of x. So I can say y is a larger quantity than x. Now notice that x is a positive quantity. So I can multiply both sides of this inequality by x. That means that I can write x squared is less than x times y. But what is x times y? Let's just go ahead and replace x and y with their values. If I do that, and then if I rearrange the factors, I will have x times y equals 1 over 2 times 2 over 3 times 3 over 4 times ... times 99 over 100 times 100 over 101. Obviously, each of these numbers are going to cancel out, and I will be left with 1 over 101. So x times y equals 1 over 101. That means that x squared is less than x times y, or 1 over 101. Now, if I take the square root of both sides, I will have x is less than the square root of 1 over 101, which is the same thing as 1 over root 101. Now, in order to solve our problem, in order to prove the inequality, I need to talk about the square root of 101. Obviously, we know that 100 is less than 101. So if I take the square root, I will have root 100 is less than root 101. That means that 10 is less than square root of 101. Now, if I flip these two numbers, I will have 1 over 10 is greater than 1 over the square root of 101. Now, we already know that this quantity is greater than x, and we found out that this quantity is less than 1 over 10. So based on the transitive property, I can say that x is less than 1 over 10. And guess what? That's exactly what we wanted to prove. X, or this quantity, is less than 1 over 10. So we're done with this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please do consider subscribing for more contents like this. Hopefully, I will see you later in another video.